Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a loan payoff letter. What is a loan payoff letter? A loan payoff letter is a formal document provided by a lender to a borrower, confirming that the borrower's loan has been fully paid off. This letter typically includes details such as the loan account number, the amount of the final payment, the total amount of interest paid, and the date the final payment was received. The letter serves as an official acknowledgement that the borrower has fulfilled their loan obligations and that the account is now closed. It is an important document for the borrower's financial records, as it provides proof that the debt has been completely satisfied. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a loan payoff letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the lender's information. If you are a company, you must include the name of the lending company. And then, write its address, contact email, and phone number. This information is typically placed at the top of the letter to clearly identify the sender. After that, write the date. It is the date when the letter is written and sent. Yes, it should be formatted as month, day, and year. Then, you need to write the borrower's information. This section includes the borrower's full name and address. It should match the information on the loan account, to ensure there is no confusion about the intended recipient. Therefore, write the number, street name, city, state, and zip code for the full address. Once you've done, you can continue to write the subject line. It should be a clear and concise subject line, indicating the purpose of the letter. For example, you may write, Loan Payoff Letter for Account, and write the loan number. Of course, this helps the recipient quickly understand the context of the communication. After completing all these information, now you can write an opening salutation. Write a formal greeting. Usually, you can write Dear, followed by the borrower's name. It is to address the borrower directly and set a polite tone for the letter. In the paragraph 1, this is where you write about confirmation of loan payoff. It means, this paragraph need to state the purpose of the letter. Yes, it is to confirm that the loan has been fully paid off as of a specific date. By doing so, you need to include a brief mention of the loan account number. The goal is to reference the correct account, and formally acknowledge that the borrower has fulfilled their financial obligation. And here is the example how you write it. We are writing to confirm that as of January 24, 2025, we have received your final payment, regarding the loan with the account number 987654321. This letter serves as official notification, that your loan balance has been paid in full. And your account with Prime Lending Solutions is now closed. In the paragraph 2, this is where you write about loan details and final payment information. In this section, you must provide specific details about the loan and the final payment. You may write it like, below are the details of your loan and the final payment. The first point will be loan account number. It is the unique identifier for the loan account. For example is, loan account number, 987654321. The second point is loan amount. It is the total amount that was borrowed. For example is, loan amount, $20,000. The third point is final payment amount received. It is the amount of the final payment that was made to close the loan. For example is, final payment amount received, $500. The fourth point is the date of final payment. It is the exact date on which the final payment was received. For example is, date of final payment, January 24, 2025. In the paragraph 3, you will have to write about confirmation and appreciation. Here, you need to advise the borrower to keep the letter for future reference. For example, you may write something like, please retain this letter for your records as confirmation that your loan obligation has been fulfilled, and no further payments are required. Besides that, you can also conclude by expressing satisfaction in serving the borrower's financial needs. This will create strong relationship between you or the company and the customer. You may write something like, your prompt and responsible action towards meeting your loan commitments is greatly appreciated. And we are pleased to have been able to serve your financial needs. Sure, you can freely copy this just in case you have no idea what to write. In the paragraph 4, this is the part where you offer for further assistance. In this section, you can extend as an invitation for further assistance. It should be demonstrating the lender's ongoing commitment to customer service. By doing so, it is highly recommended that you give your contact information. They can be phone number and email address. And this is the example how you write it. Should you require any further information, or need assistance with other financial services, please do not hesitate to contact us at 713-555-0198, or via email at service@primelendingsolutions.com. Our team at Prime Lending Solutions is always here to assist you with your financial needs. In the paragraph 5, which is the closing remarks, express gratitude for the borrower's choice of lender. By doing so, you can as well extend well wishes for their future financial endeavors. And this is the example. Thank you for choosing Prime Lending Solutions for your loan. We wish you continued financial success, and look forward to the opportunity to serve you again in the future. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and under it, write your full name. Write also your occupation in the company. And write the company name as well. So, that's how you write a loan payoff letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.